Philip, right by myself for everybody.
Enjoy ka naman dun sa karir mo na yan.
So far, I'm enjoying it. Kumbaga, doon din naman ang bagsak eh. As either an assistant, an analyst, kasi because you were playing. Diba? So doon na yung bagsak. Wala nang makakabagsakan yung mga karir namin as a player. So, yun din ang sinabi sa amin ni Coach eh. You need to find something na aside from basketball. Kasi pag nag-retire kami, wala kami mga ano-ano negosyo or whatever. At least meron kang iba.
Question lang, ano yung